Sweet yet low in sugar, this protein-boosted superfood smoothie uses sweet potatoes and spices to create an indulgently creamy blend that offers a tangible energy and wellness boost at the same time. To a blender, add some sweet potato puree, which you can make yourself or buy at the store. Add some raw cashews, as well as a bit of your favorite vanilla-flavored protein powder. For a superfood boost, we'll add some energizing maca powder, as well as some antioxidant-rich goji berries. And we'll add a little cinnamon and a touch of nutmeg, all before pouring in some coconut water. And we'll blend this together until it's completely smooth and creamy. Finally, we'll add in some ice and blend once more until frosty. Serve this sweet potato protein smoothie chilled and enjoy. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. Did you love this video? Give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.